Oh, we see it again. Back at it again with another one out of this morning. Christmas grind don't stop. We working when you're not working. Picking up another one. Hey, country road.
Is that a dog?
Deer.
Oh, it's a dead deer. It's a baby deer too.
Hey, deer. My blue healers.
I know. He don't have a tail, Poppy. Like them.
That turkeys back there.
Look, he don't have a tail. He's limping though.
And got hit like ton of bogarts.
Oh, he's like on.
Hey, look at that tail, like your daddy's.
Oh, damn man, looking up.
It was sitting under there, but that's it right here.
Just like that, back with another one. Grind don't stop. Time to get back and get it. I'm gonna get my eat on. Y'all bullshitting.
I thought it was 3. No? Oh, one's way up there in the trail.
Hey, fool, it's fuel about that.
4. Yeah. Oh, 5, 6. It's 3 in one tree.
I'm out. Fuck it.
Ooh, knocked him off.
What's up, bro? So we're gonna eat this meat. One of the best in Hiram. Let's see. One special. I gotta get one another one. Not too bad. Let's get it unloaded. Now it's offloaded. This seems like the headlight need to be pieced clean. Like just some overspraying. It seemed like it was green. Some overspray. Well, let's get it right. Thing coming out looking all right. So you know what we gotta do, sand it down, clean it up. We're just gonna add some pink and black to it, make it a hair. And we just take the grips off of her. And then we'll be putting the seat over there, paint the racks back her. Otherwise than that, stay tuned. So pull the old battery out, put a brand new one in. We're gonna put a brand new carb in here. We're gonna take all this old gas out of here. Clean the plug, pull the plug out, and then let's see if this thing fire up. So now we're getting down to the plug. That's fouled out, no spark. Old plug, new plug. New plug's in. Get some good compression. Time to change the carb. Activity. Brand new carb. Battery. Clean the plug out. Haven't ran in about 2 years. About to get this thing painted, restored. Stay tuned. All took it apart. Great, sand it down, prep it up. Hit the frame, go through there, clean the pipe up. Touch the shocks over. Clean up the side of the engine. Yeah, we'll be somewhere. Let's work. All done. Looking pretty good. Do the little small touches on it. Clean it up. Let's go. Got activity on the block. He on your ass. He on your ass. He ain't gonna do nothing. Make sure I got me a 2x4 over here with him. He ain't gonna do nothing. Look at that scary ass boy. I'm doing all that little ass right there like that's what I thought. And my tail tucked. Look at that. Take your little scary ass home and do all that. Get to the house. You did all that for nothing. You did all that for nothing. Huh? Get your little ass run down the block. And it's just like that. Complete. Not too bad. We'll do a little touch-ups here and there, but it's running covers, do the wheels over, put my tail light on here, and this will be done. Swing by. It's done told. Oh, you see it.